Hello everyone, welcome to the website Catching Investment. Today in this video, let's talk about the InvArch, what they are doing and what kind of things we can do for InvArch. So InvArch, they recently released the quarterly update Q1, and from this update, we will see a lot of things they have done. For example, the OCF staking public testing event. I remember I made a video before, and all the participants, they get the Tinker rewards if they satisfy the requirement, and there are more than 9,000 participants, so that's a really a big success. And they also have the Gabby on the Swanky panel on January 20th. Their co-founder and CTO participate in the Twitter space and focus on the future of Wasm smart contracts. We know the Wasm, they recently have the launch day from A-Star, so I think this is also a big thing. They have the new InvArch network token economy, and I also made a video before and talk about this economy. So the VARCH will be the native token, and if you want to win the VARCH, you do have different ways you can do that, including the crowdloan. We're going to talk about that later on. Dakota on the talisman meditation. So this is another talk they have worked with the talisman wallet. And the community sale event, I do participate, and I also made a video and show you how to participate that time. If you miss that, don't worry, they do have some other opportunities right now. And the co-founder and the CTO Gabby talked at Space Monkeys show hosted on the WAG Media YouTube channel. You can check it by yourself with the link. They have the InvArch questers. There are a lot of people participate in the quester. Over 400 individuals participated. And the Oxford University presentation, Dakota presented there. So it's really cool. You can watch the recording here. The crowdloan, so that's a big thing now. So I think for those of you, if you are excited about InvArch, what they are doing, you can still have some way to contribute and support the team by the crowdloan. It's right now it's still going on, and they increase the rewards. So now the minimum rewards would be 100 VARCH per token, and it can boost up to 200 VARCH per dot token, and you can contribute through different ways. They also have the OCIF that you can stake your Tinker token and earn the rewards. I also made a video tutorial before, so you can watch my video. Okay, so last time Musama, they win the slot. How about this time? InvArch, right now they are leading the slot auction. If you check, the competition is quite competitive actually for the current slot. Peaq and InvArch, they are quite similar to each other, and until now I think InvArch is a little bit more than the Peaq, and if they can maintain, then they can get the next slot. What did you think? Which one, Peaq or InvArch, will get the next slot? If you are not sure how to participate, I do have a tutorial. You can check my tutorial how to participate through the Bifrost with the liquidity. And that's all for today's video. I'm looking forward to hear the opinion from you, and let's see who will win the next slot. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.